Dictation of a matter on Indian Coast Guard recruitment taken from the website joinindiancoastguard.gov.in. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start. The Indian Coast Guard is a multi-mission organization conducting round-the-year real-life operations at sea. Despite being relatively small, it has a wide range of task capabilities for both surface and air operations. The organization is headed by the Director General Indian Coast Guard, exercising his overall command and superintendence from the Coast Guard headquarters located at New Delhi. At Coast Guard headquarters, he is assisted by 4 Deputy Director Generals of the rank of Inspector General, and other senior officers heading various staff divisions. For effective command and control, the maritime zones of India are divided into 5 Coast Guard regions, namely Northwest, West, East, Northeast and Andaman and Nicobar, with the respective regional headquarters located at Gandhinagar, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata and Port Blair. The Coast Guard regions are commanded by officers of the rank of Inspector General. The regions are further divided into 12 Coast Guard districts, 1 each for the 9 coastal states on the mainland, 2 in the Andaman and Nicobar region, and 1 at Kavratti in the Lakshadweep and Minicoy Islands. Each Coast Guard district comprises of 1 or more Coast Guard stations. In addition, there are Coast Guard air stations and air enclaves for air operations from various locations along the coastline. The regional headquarters at Gandhinagar exclusively covers the strategically important maritime state of Gujarat. The state has its district headquarters at Porbandar. This district, commissioned in 1984, is supported by stations at Veeraval, Mundra, Okha and Jagod. Dornier aircraft and advanced light helicopters operating from Porbandar provide air support to this region. Apart from Gujarat, the rest of the western seaboard is the responsibility of the regional headquarters at Mumbai. In this region, the Maharashtra coast is a major hub of economic activity. The area is also sensitive due to location of offshore oil platforms and nuclear energy establishments. Fishing activities in this area extend beyond the traditional fishing grounds, which increased the scope of ICG operations. Maharashtra has its district headquarters at Mumbai and is supported by a helicopter squadron. The district headquarters at Goa was commissioned in 1994. It is home to the first helicopter squadron, the Coast Guard. The state of Karnataka has its district headquarters at New Mangalore. This headquarters, commissioned in 1990, is engaged in regulating maritime activities along the Karnataka coast. Kerala has its district headquarters at Kochi, and the Lakshadweep is monitored and administered by the district headquarters at Kavratti. It is close to the sea lanes of communication followed by a large number of oil tankers, and is therefore a high-risk area in terms of oil pollution. Air support is provided by Dornier aircraft based at Kochi. Life on board a Coast Guard ship is engaging, adventurous, and challenging. From saving human lives at sea and assisting fishermen in peril, to apprehending poachers and preserving marine biodiversity, job satisfaction comes easy to a Coast Guardsman. Each day at sea is filled with promise, and each mission is different in an inimitable way. On board every Coast Guard ship, there is a balanced mix of officers and sailors, belonging to different branches, divided into 3 groups, with each group working at respective stations twice for 4 hours every day, when the ship is at sea. In addition, during an emergent situations, all personnel close up irrespective of time, day or night. A boat is sometimes launched from the ship to check another vessel at sea, or to provide technical or medical assistance, if so warranted, and to pursue fleeing offenders. The boat can even land ashore and engage culprits, sometimes with use of force.